So yun nga mga idol, bali akit tayo ng Blackcomb Mountain guys. Gagamit tayo ng gondola at samahan nyo ako. Tara, yan, dyan tayo pupunta sa taas. Ayan, sakay natin pataas. Another adventure na naman tayo mga idol. So mamaya na lang.
Yeah, I don't think it's a line.
Considering the price. What's that? They just have line. Line to cut this way. Yeah. Just get one.
Wow,
Oh,
that's awesome. You
Nice.
seen many bears?
just two.
Just two?
Yeah,
How long have you been here?
I'm just new here. I just arrived here in June. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's my second there. Awesome.
Yeah, that's great. And this is the longest one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Nice.
Thanks for pointing it out.
Yeah. Charan! Charan! Hey. Hello. Hey. Hey. So yun nga mga idol, nandito na tayo sa taas na Black Cove Mountain. Yes po. Ayun mga creature na kasama natin. Yan. Parang mga ground dog. Yeah. Yan. Ay, mga ibang lokal. Local and tourist po yan sila. Yan. JW mga idol. Yung mga idol, yung mga local and tourist dito sila. Yeah. Welcome to Black Cove Mountain. Yes. May iba naman tayong mga idol. So mga kaibigan naman natin na bago. Ayun sila. Nice, diba? They're just minding their own business, eating grass just like that. Isipig lang sila dito sa Black Cove Mountain. Yeah. Wala silang pake, kain lang sila ng kain. They're just chilling. Yeah, that's it. Hey, you good? Are you good? Yes, you are good. They're just minding and chilling. Yay! Welcome to the top of Black Cove Mountain, mga idol. So, tara. Akatin na natin yung taas. Punta pa tayo sa taas. So, we're going up. Sorry, that's it. We're going up to the mountain. We're just in the rendezvous point and we're going up. So, see you guys. Another view. Mas klaro, white klaro. Mas klaro pa. Here it is. Oh. And there it is, the Lost Lake over there. Yeah. And continue. We're here in the Black Cove Mountain Trail. Yeah. Alright. A lot of people here, tourists and locals also. And me, a lonely Filipino here. And those things as treats because you don't really well play. Okay. Later, I will try the pick to pick. From Blackcomb Mountain to Whistler Mountain. Yay! And that's the peak to peak. They're going to Whistler Mountain. Again. It is nice. Hello. Hello. No, there's a lot of wildlife here and they're not very hesitant to people. Yeah. It is just like it's normal. See the bird? He doesn't mind me at all. See? They don't mind if we are walking right here close to them. They just want to chill. Exactly like that. Welcome to Blackcomb Mountain. Yeah. Nice view. Whew. Yun nga mga idol, yan o. Yan yung gondola na yan, yan, patawid. Peak to peak yan from Blackcomb to Whistler Mountain, yeah. And that Whistler Mountain is where my accommodation located. But here in Blackcomb, this is where my work located. Alpine walk loop. Yeah. Last gondola 5:15 p.m. So be mindful. I will be. Go upward. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Whew. See. Nga mga idol, maliban sa mga nag-hiking na katulad ko at iba pang lahi, mayroon din dito mga artist. Yeah. Let me idol. He's just painting. Yeah. He's just painting the nature. How could he resist? Because it is beautiful right now. See? Wow. Tingnan niyo mga idol. Oh. Wow. So beautiful. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo yun. Ayun o. Ayun o. Wow. Pati ayun o. Wow. Wait. We're going here. Yung mga idol. Wow. Nice. There's too much to see here in Blackcomb Mountain. Yeah. So beautiful. Nice. This is what you call B1 with nature. Totally up. Nice. Tingnan niyo mga idol. Oh my goodness. Wow. So nice. Beautiful. Yan, Blackcomb Lake. Nice.
But you said Joffrey's closed?
From Blackcomb Lake, we're going to this other trail. Yeah. Yeah. Trail hiking in Whistler. So yun nga mga idol, pababa tayo. At mabato. At ang aking sapatos nangangagat. Wag sana ako paltos eh. Yeah. Yung isang sapatos dapat yung sinuot ko. I'm in love right now in Blackcomb. I love the nature and the adventure, just like this one that I'm doing right now. Mga idol, nakikita nyo yung mga bato na yan na puti. Yan. Pagka tunaw yung snow, yan, dumadalo yung tubig dyan. Ayun o, yung bakas. Kung mapapansin nyo, yan. Yan. Snow yun na natuyo, naging tubig, dumaloy, pababa, yan. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung mga puti-puti na yan, dinaanan ng tubig yan, yung natunaw yung snow. Yeah. Another trivia here for Blackcomb Mountain. Bali pababa tayo ngayon, mga idol. Yeah. Sa another trail naman tayo dadaan. We're going to Marmot Trail. It's going down and it's very steep and stony. See, that's the trail going down here. Guys, from top hill dito na tayo sa downhill na tayo. Yeah. So supposed to okay na sana, tandaan na to, patag na, pero sa tingin ko hindi, sa bundok tayo eh. Ayun lang. So yan mga idol, pa-uphill naman tayo. Ayun, mga lokal. Ayan. Whistler Mountain, Blackcomb Mountain, pataas tayo. Hey, kapoy ba? Yan, you love nature, then pair with it. But I like it. I fell in love here. Ang ganda. Holy shit. Shit. Ang ganda. Promise mga idol, sobrang ganda. Kaka-in love. Tingnan nyo. Ice glacier. Gondola. Whistler Mountain. Tapos sa likod. Oh my god. Ang ganda, promise. Sobra. Kahit na challenging pero ang saya, promise. Ang saya sa pakiramdam. Nakaka-in love. Wala stress mo dito. Sa totoo lang. Oh. Holy shit. Para nalabasan ako. Uphill. Here we go. My God. So beautiful here. Yeah. Nice. Yes, we are here. Finally. So guys, we're back in Rendezvous Point. So we're going to try the peak to peak gondola. Yeah. From Blackcomb Mountain, we're going to other side, other mountain, the Whistler Mountain Peak also. Blackcomb Peak. Here we go, Whistler Peak. So see you guys. Till then, so tiring.